When we are looking at probability, we are really looking at the likelihood of an event or events happening. Probability can be displayed as fractions, decimals, percentages, and also in words too. For example, if we look at a coin toss, the options when we toss a coin are that it will land on either heads or tails. There are no other options here. If we toss the coin, we would say that the probability of the coin landing on a heads is 1 out of 2. This means that there are two options shown as the denominator, and heads is just one of the two options. This is, of course, a fair coin and isn't weighted at either side. We can therefore say that the probability of tossing a coin and it landing on tails is also 1 over 2, because there are two options and tails is the other one of the two options. We could show this probability as a decimal, which would be 0.5, and we could also show this as a percentage, which is 50%. What we need to realise is that both probabilities need to add up to 100% or 1, or a fraction where both the denominator and numerator are the same. If we were to express this probability in words, we would say that there is an even chance that the coin will land on heads and an even chance that the coin will land on tails. If we look at another example, this time we will look at a fair 6-sided dice being rolled. If we were asked what the probability of a 1 being rolled, we would say that this is 1 out of 6, because there are 6 numbers, all equally likely to be rolled. However, there is only one number 1. We would say that this is unlikely, as it is a low probability. We must stress though that this is definitely not impossible, just improbable. Again, if we were to add up all of the probabilities of all the other numbers, we will see that we have 1 over 6 for each of the 6 numbers. And if we add 1 over 6 times, we get 6 over 6, which we could say is 100% or 1.0, covering all possible outcomes. This is a very basic explanation of probability, and there are many different factors that can change the likelihood of events happening. I hope this has helped and you know a little bit more about basic probability.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.